Bonjour. So, in this video, I am going to explain step by step how to change a sentence and turn it into the passive voice. So, actually, the thing about passive voice is that it's simply common sense. But sometimes, if you have a doubt, there is a way that's infallible. You can just check, and it will always work. So, I have taken two sentences in the active voice that you can find in the grammar book. They are the following. Monsieur Blanc interviewe le président. Monsieur Blanc interviewe le président. John Baird a inventé la télé. So we are going to start with the sentence that is in the present tense. So we're going to put this on the side for now and just take a look at this. So for me, there are three steps. X, step 1. Par, step 2. Être, step 3. Whenever you do this, you cannot fail. This will always give you the proper sentence in the passive voice. Monsieur Blanc interviewe le président. Mr. Blanc interviews the president. So the first thing we have to locate are our subject and our object. And this is when I am going to use the X. I am going to invert the subject and the object, meaning that my object, which is here, is going to become the new subject of my sentence. And my subject, which is here, is going to become the object. So as you can see, it makes cross like this. Shoop, shoop. So this is the beginning of my new sentence. Le président, and the end of my new sentence, Monsieur Blanc. Now, the second step is even easier. I will simply put par before my new object. Par Monsieur Blanc, by Mr. Blanc. And the last step of my transformation is using the verb être in the same tense as the verb we have in the active voice. So this is the present tense. I am going to use être in the present tense as well. Le président est par Monsieur Blanc. We are almost done because as you can see, something is missing. What is that? It is simply interview, right? Interview, we need to add this. So we have le président est interviewé. And you are simply going to write the past participle. Le président est interviewé par Monsieur Blanc. And there you have it, your sentence in the passive voice. There is just one thing you have to be careful. If the subject is feminine or plural, I'm sorry about that, that was the school bell. So like I was saying, if the subject is feminine or plural, you have to make sure that here, interviewé is going to be feminine as well. Let's take a look at the second sentence in the passé composé. So I have reorganized my steps on the left-hand side. You can see them all here. This is our new sentence, this time in the passé composé. John Baird a inventé la télé. So John Baird invited TV. And we have here our subject and object. We are going to follow the same step. This time, I will do it without talking, so you can basically maybe better comprehend. But the same thing. And there you have it. Your whole sentence in the passive. La télé a été inventée. This time télé is feminine. La télé a été inventée par John Baird. And this is the end of our video.